Hello everybody, time for another quick unboxing videos. More Hot Wheels. This time a Coup clip. Is it Experimotors Coup clip. Kinda looks like a Tesla. Let's see, Coup clip, born 2021, El Segundo, California. Keep your passion for speed close to the hip with this slick keychain clip. The sculpted coupe looks fast with its polished metal body, but will stay put no matter where you're headed. Designer, Hot Wheels. So I guess it's like a poor man's wannabe Tesla keychain. Alright, don't care about the box. Gonna open it right up. It's metal. I don't think it's... yeah, it's two pieces. Let me get that focused. Take a look. It's got a white dot on the side because it's sporty, I guess. Here's the back. The other side. Top view again. Let me get the front, maybe. There we go. In the back. Here's the bottom. Sorry, thought I was holding it upside down. Coup clip, made in Malaysia. Hot Wheels 2021. Oh, that's kind of cool. Alright, so that's where I guess the keyhole is. Not keyhole, I guess the little, I don't know what that's called. A little key loop thing. Keychain loop would go to. That's pretty cool. I guess it kind of resembles the Tesla clicker for the car. Alright. No wheels. So I can't really... well, I guess it's like Back to the Future. Alright. Thanks for watching. And stay tuned for more unboxing videos.